Hey, so as a new agent, you're probably wondering how to get your first clients, and my favorite recommendation is through open houses. Open houses are a great way to not just find buyer leads, but seller leads as well, because everyone that comes into that open house is either a buyer or a seller. The buyers are going to be obvious. They're looking to buy the property. They probably won't buy that one though, but they'll buy a property. And if they're coming to an open house, it's a really good indication that they don't already have a real estate professional assisting them. Now, for the nosy neighbors that are coming into the house, they're really not being nosy neighbors, they're being a potentially interested seller. They want to see the competition, the other houses that are available for sale. So those sellers, you have to identify them. It's not a matter of if they'll sell, it's a matter of when they'll sell. If you want to find out the full licensing steps, go to licensefl.com. That's licensefl.com.